Hello friends, I am Dr. Sudhir Rajguru from Department of Management, and today we will discuss about services marketing, customer relationship management, and lecture 2, possible levels of customer expectations. It ranges from minimum tolerable expectation. For example, I expect terrible service from the restaurant but come because the price is low. Then acceptable expectation, I expect this restaurant to serve me in an adequate manner. Experience based norms, most time this restaurant is very good, but when it gets busy the service is low. Normative should expectations, as expensive as this restaurant is, it ought to have excellent food and service. होना ही चाहिए मतलब. Ideal expectations of desire, everyone says this restaurant is as good as one in France and I want to go somewhere very special for my anniversary. So this ideal expectations of or desire, so it ranges from low to high. Minimum tolerable expectations and high is ideal expectations or desires. Dual customer expectations level, adequate service and desired service. Zone of tolerance, between adequate service and desired service we have zone of tolerance. Zone of tolerance, adequate service is a must service, zone of tolerance is desirables, and desired service is delight. We can also understand zone of tolerance from an example that how much in a waiting line you can wait in a hospital or any other place also. Zone of tolerance is a range of expectations between desired and adequate, can be wide or narrow, it can change over time, it can vary among individuals and may vary with type of product and service. Factors that influence customer expectation of service. So we see here that the desired service, the thing which is coming like it depend on personal needs, beliefs about what is possible, explicit and implicit service promises, word of mouth and past experience. Then zone of tolerance and then adequate service, it depend upon predicted service and predict service alteration, situation factors. And we can see here that the explicit implicit service promises, word of mouth, past experience, it is both for desired service expectations and predicted service expectations. These parameters are for both, and one by one we will discuss the factors affect desired, adequate and predicted service in detail. Component of customer expectation: desired service level, wished for level of service, quality that customer believe can and should be delivered. Adequate service level, minimum acceptable level of service. Predicted service level, is service level that customer believe firm will actually deliver. Zone of tolerance. Next is zone of tolerance. It is the range within which customers are willing to accept variations in service delivery. क्या रेंज है? How they are willing to accept variations if service is delay or any other problem is there? How the customer can tolerate this thing? Factors influenced customer expectation of desired service. Customer needs represented in Maslow hierarchy of need. वो नीड होती है, उसमें देख सकते हैं मैस्लो हायरार्की ऑफ नीड है, वो उसके अंदर है. एंड shelter, house and various other things are there, the up till the from starting from safety needs and all other needs to self actualization, so various needs are there. Derived service expectations occurs when customer expectations are driven by another person or group of person. So we can say with the example of birthday party, in which restaurant we can take idea from others, or vacation for a family, which is a good place, we can take idea from another person. Customer philosophy, attitude about meaning of service, and the proper conduct of service provider. So here, uh, for example, a retired banker knows more about service standard of bank, and his service philosophy is stronger than other customer. Factor influencing expectation of adequate service. Transitory service intensifiers, factor which intensify the level of service. Emergency, like emergency cases and zone of tolerance is narrow and you will go to the nearest hospital. Breakdown for machinery in busy hours, accident जो भी है उसमें हम we will tolerate wherever we go fast and take any services of hospital. Perceived service alternative, other provider from whom the customer can obtain service. It raise the level of adequate service and narrow the zone of tolerance. An airline customer in a small town accept lower level of service. Customer in big city requirement of loan. Lot of companies then because there are lot of companies then in rural area, hence will have higher adequate service expectations than rural customer. फैसिलिटी ज़्यादा है तो एक्सपेक्टेशन भी ज़्यादा है, कंपटीशन भी है, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर, कंपटीशन इज देयर, लॉट ऑफ प्लेयर्स आर देयर. रूरल में उतना नहीं है. सेल्फ परसीव्ड रोल, द एक्सटेंट टू विच द कस्टमर परसीव he is capable of shaping the service encounter and influence the level of service he receives. It raises the highest level of adequate service. A customer who is regular in restaurant, explicit with waiter, will be more dissatisfied if food is not proper than other customer, because he is regularly and he is perceiving what the kind of services are delivered daily, so he is more dissatisfied. Factors affecting expectation of adequate service. Situational factors. Service performance conditions that customer view as beyond the control of the service provider. For example, due to power failure, cable operator is unable to provide service. Here we see zone of tolerance increases and adequate service level reduces. Earthquake, load on insurance company increase. These are all situations which are beyond the control of service provider. Predicted service expectation. Level of service a customer believe he will receive from a service provider. A customer who expects that a flight may be delayed due to bad weather will have a lower level of adequate service expectation and high zone of tolerance. Length of time you will spend in a waiting room for doctor next time, it is also predicted, and it is predicted service expectation. Next we will discuss factors that influence both desired and predicted service expectations. Explicit service promises, promises to provide a certain level of service through advertisements, personal selling, brochures. Company try to do explicit service promises that what kind of service they will deliver. A software institute provide to provide a job in US, promise to provide a job in US. Candidates will have increased desirable and predicted service expectations. Implicit service promises, tangible clues that give a customer an idea of how the service will be. For example, clues from personal, process and physical evidence. How are the persons, their qualification, प्रोसेस में कितने दिन लग रहे हैं, 7 दिन में हो रहा है या 2 दिन में हो रहा है, कितनी ज़्यादा प्रोसेस हैरी है. फॉर एग्जांपल इंश्योरेंस क्लेम का है, कितना बड़ा प्रोसेस है, 1 दिन में, 3 दिन में. फिजिकल एविडेंस कैसा है उसका, which gives the environment of this. What is this? If you go to retail outlet, how is the sound, light, everything is put together, colors and all other. So these are promises. Price set for Taj holiday package serve as an implicit service promise. Prices है तो वो implicit service promise बताता है. Higher price, higher expectation is there. Then word of mouth publicity, view or opinion of customer who have already used the service influence your expectations. And next is, so here you can see word of mouth. So like it can go from your friends or family, from one person to another and influence your expectations. Friend कुछ बता रहा है हमको, या कोई फैमिली मेम्बर हमको बता रहे हैं, या हमें कुछ अच्छा लगा है हम दूसरों को बता रहे हैं. Mouth publicity. And last is past experience. A customer visited McD outlet in New York will desire predict service of same standards in McD Mumbai. So customer also through the past experience, this affect their desired and predicted service expectations. Clear? Issues in customer expectation of service. How real are customers expectations? How real are? Sometimes if you will do the research and you will find that customer want anything and lot of things they can expect, but companies have to identify, have to find what are the real, whether it is a real or not. Does customer expectation keep growing? So companies have to know that the customer expectations are growing year by year, or what circumstances or what trends are there, lifestyle changes are there in the society, so that expectations keep growing. How the company can exceed customer service expectation. How can a company exceed customer service expectation that he get delighted by lot of innovations in service? The company they are doing lot of innovations. For example, in a restaurant, if you go, you can directly enter into a room. There is no innovation. The another is the way for a lot of foreign guests and all in big 5-star hotel. They put garland and and they put music and all dol nagada and everything is there, and they take, and at the reception they are giving. So this exceed customer service expectation. The kind of service which they cannot expect can be delivered from the service provider. How far the company go to please the customer? तो कंपनी कहाँ तक जाएगी कस्टमर को प्लीज करने के लिए? What are the extent, because customer are demanding, and what amount of demand a company should satisfy. So you should decide all these things, that how far you are going for customers, at what level. Balancing between desired and adequate service. Demonstrating fair play. Extend customer zone of tolerance. So companies have to demonstrate a fair play in the sense that whatever they say in the advertisement, they have to do whatever they say in the advertisement. If you say that if the lot of institutions they say 100% placement, but there may or may not be 100% placements are there. Clear? So whatever exaggerated claims we are putting, if their claims are fine, just like if you see in the product, the company say that the car will move from 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. Take the speed. It is a fair play. So product is executing this thing. But how the fair play in service, how can you say in terms of in service, in training and all other things? It is not easy. Then being reliable to the customers, that at least reliability means what, that the company stand for you. Fine. 24, some hospital says that 24-hour available. Being reliable. You can see some of the medicine shop, some of the petrol pumps, you will find reliability in the sense they are operating round the clock. They are operating. Managing promises. uh, company have to manage the process or manage the promises, whatever they say they have to clear this. Leveraging the process dimensions, so company should leverage the process dimensions, that what is the process, and they what they can do in the process, what additionally they can do. And building relationship customization, so how the company is building relationship, and customization is the key, where all product companies also they do customization, and then services it is also customization. A good example can be a haircut, so that if you go and you say that I want a hairstyle on according to some celebrity he will cut, or in another celebrity he is cutting this thing also, and he will make for, and some another customer is coming, then they are cutting accordingly. So they are doing customization. Every time they are doing customization, haircut सबका अलग अलग करते हैं. So if you are doing customization, you are building relationship. So likewise in the service sector, lot of customizations are done, and the room for customization is there in every services, so that you can have a balance between desired and adequate service. Exceeding customer expectations. Customer relationship is a key to exceed. Under promise the service but over deliver. Clear? You promise, under promise. You don't say, but you deliver the things which is beyond the customer expectations they have not thought of. Then unusual service as unique rather than standard. See, if the services are delivered in a standard manner, you are going in a hotel, and the same way you are entering in the register and moving to the room. This is a standard thing. But then if the something, I've already told that something if they are doing at reception, कुछ garland हो गया, कुछ visiting card दे दिया, कुछ कोई music बजा दिया entry के ऊपर, means they are feeling good about, the customer will feel good about, then fine. In lot of the good and reputed 5-star hotels, unusual services they are doing, so that these are unique services, so that which is not thought by the customer, so it exceed the customer expectation. Thank you.